Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming Chrome is updated and that you have a VPN account or a trusted extension in mind. Open Chrome, tap the Apps menu, then the Web Store. This begins the installation. Once done, search the VPN name, inspect ratings and permissions. This explains why reviews and permissions matter. Click Add to Chrome to start download. You should see a small progress pop-up. Make sure to accept extension permissions so the VPN can route browser traffic correctly. You now handle the detailed setup. After installation, click the extension icon at the top right. Sign in with your account so the extension can fetch your subscription and settings. Once signed in, pick a server location or use automatic selection for best speeds. This choice affects latency and access to region-locked content. Toggle settings like kill switch or split tunneling if available. These control what traffic goes through the VPN and why you might use them for. You finish by connecting and verifying that your IP changed. This proves the VPN is active. Enable startup or background permissions so the extension stays available and pin the icon for quick access. If pages load slowly or the VPN won't connect, disable other proxy or security extensions and try again. Conflicts are common. If problems persist, sign out and back in, or reinstall the extension. These steps reset configuration and usually resolve stubborn connectivity or permission issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.